All right, guys, we got you guys today at 2021 Dodge Challenger V6. Fresh off the assembly line. It's only got like 600 miles on it. Got factory converters there and there. And got factory X-pipe. They haven't changed them much. As you guys can see, they still look the same on the 2021. The exhaust-wise anyways. And then he brought his own vibrates. Part number 1792. Two of them that we put on for him right there instead of the mid mufflers. And then we did our rear resonator delete, excuse me. We did our rear resonator delete there and right there. There's the two mufflers and there's the two resonators that we cut off right there, right there. That's what it looks like now. The new ones come with the bump, the tips built into the bumper, as you guys can see. But it's good they're not built like the older ones where it's all one piece. So you can actually, there's like 4 bolts you can take off and add different tips on it, which is good to know. So there it is. If you guys like, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. What do you think? Perfect? All right. Sounds smooth. Again? Go ahead, again. That sounds really nice. Go ahead and back it out. Vibrant system. That sounds really nice. There she is. What do you guys think? I think it sounds phenomenal for a V6. You can't beat that. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Challenger V6 2021. There she is. With a vibrant system.